Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're breaking down how to send XDC from your Tangem wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to handle transfers securely and efficiently. XDC is a popular cryptocurrency, Tangem is a user-friendly hardware wallet, and Bitmart is a reliable exchange. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this step by step without any hassle. Let's get started. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, some XDC in your wallet, and a verified Bitmart account with your deposit address handy. Double-check that your wallet is connected and your accounts are secure to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app on your phone or device and log in using your PIN or biometric authentication. Step 2. Once inside, go to your asset list and select XDC. This will show you your balance and give you options for managing it. Step 3. Tap on the Send or Transfer button for XDC. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. Be precise to avoid fees or errors. Step 4. Now, paste or type in the Bitmart wallet address. You can find this in your Bitmart account under the Deposit section for XDC. Make sure it's the correct network, like the XDC network, to prevent any issues. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and recipient address. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You might need to approve it with your wallet's security features. Step 6. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but check your Bitmart account to confirm the XDC has arrived. A quick tip. Always verify addresses and keep an eye on gas fees, especially in 2025 when crypto networks might be busier. If you encounter any errors, refer to Tangem or Bitmart's support resources. There you have it. That's how to send XDC from Tangem to Bitmart. This process keeps your assets safe and your transfers smooth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.